Tired of keeping your Solana locked in Phantom and ready to cash out on crypto.com? First, open your Phantom wallet on your mobile device. Make sure you've got the latest version installed to avoid any hiccups. Next, tap the send button located at the bottom of your screen. This initiates the transaction process. Now, switch over to your crypto.com app. Navigate to your Sol wallet within the app. This is where you'll find your deposit address. Tap on the deposit button. The app will generate a Solana deposit address specifically for your account. Copy this Solana address carefully. Double-check every character. Even a small mistake can result in lost funds. Return to your Phantom wallet and paste the copied crypto.com Solana address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Sol you wish to withdraw. Review everything one last time to ensure the address and amount are correct. Finally, tap the send button to confirm the transaction. Depending on network congestion, it might take a few minutes for the SOL to appear in your crypto.com wallet. And that's it.